So I got a ton of stuff to do today. I have to finish the deck and I have to finish my entryway. And I'm sitting here planning more projects. Even though the husband is like, you're done for the year. Like, done in terms of projects. Because since we've been here, it's just been, all of our money's just been thrown into this house. And we haven't done anything as a family. So he's like, I want to get back to, doing stuff as a family on the weekend instead of projects. So I'm trying to finish up all the projects that we have right now. We're standing the deck, and then I have the entryway, and then I think I'm done for this year. So I need to go paint. Ginger, come on. I need to go paint, and I'm also making dinner. Oh, my husband's coworker made me this clock. It's huge and it's heavy. Out of I forgot what he used, but it was basically pallets from their job. He made me that clock. Like, I love it. That's my next area that I need to work on. I took my mirror down. I took the mirror down because I have to finish filling the holes on this wall because I'm prepping it to paint right now. And that's what we're gonna do. Hi, Jack. I already took dinner out for the day. Hey, baby. I'm gonna do a baked Alfredo, salmon Alfredo. And where is it? I'm gonna do baked salmon Alfredo. It's really good. I've done it before. I got a ton of thing. Let me show you guys the deck. Oh, it's hot already. Okay, so took off the wooden lattice situation because I was not gonna paint all that wood white. So I put up actual, what is that called? Vinyl. So this is a vinyl lattice, and then I paint all the rails. I'm in the process of painting all the rails white, and then this part right here is gonna be gray. Oh, the skirting is gray. It's gonna match the deck floors. So Rob already did this portion for me, and this part right here. So it looks so good, and I just need to figure out if I'm gonna continue. Come, Madison. Come on. What are you doing? I just need to figure out if I'm gonna continue. Come on, baby. If I'm gonna continue this. See, I already put this part on. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Go inside. I need to clean this track right here. So, yeah, basically, those are the two options that I have. Hi, Jenna. Those are the two options that I have for the day in terms of project. I really don't feel like doing either one because I'm just not in the mood, but I have to finish it up. It's 11:44 and I need coffee. So let's see, my mother's choice. Should I do this one? Serenity? No. I'm gonna do this one. Wifey. Cause I'm also doing laundry. I'm doing laundry and get ready to do the girls' hair and then get started on dinner because I want that done before Rob gets home. And I forgot, I was telling you guys. So yeah, we got we qualify for EBT. So your girl is gonna get, with our food money, I'm gonna get this little one right here. I'm gonna get her a playhouse, and I have to build the foundation. So instead of having the playhouse like on dirt, like on the grass area, I'm gonna build like a little deck for her and put the playhouse on it right next to our trampoline back there. The only thing we have back there in terms of stuff for the kids to play with is just our trampoline. and I want something for her to play on or play with. So anyways, I'm gonna go get my paint ready and my coffee, my old Dunkin' coffee from yesterday. Ew. This coffee is like the bomb, Jaxson. So I swear I need to clean out this refrigerator because just random stuff get put where. Excuse me, Jordan. Where's your brother?
Somewhere upstairs. Yeah, he's taking a shower.
Okay. I like my creamer with a little bit of coffee. Huh? You what? What do you need? iPad? Yeah. When? Well, okay, so what are the rules? What are the rules, Madison? Monday through Thursday, no technology. Friday and Saturday, 1 to 6 only. Have a good day. Those are the rules. Those are the rules. I didn't make the rules. You just have to follow them. Do you understand? All right. Go watch TV. Yeah, after 20 minutes, it's her turn to watch TV. Okay? All right. Do I make myself clear? Yeah. Okay. No fighting, please. So I found the paint. But I can't find my hole filler. I need a hole filler. I don't know where I put it. Oh, I found it. So I'm using this to fill the holes. I'm using this wood filler to fill all the little tiny little holes. Let me show you. Because I filled all these little holes right here. I just gotta sand them. I just have this little spot right here where I hung the mirror to fill, and then I'm gonna sand. I'm gonna sand all of that down with my sandpaper. I'm all over the place. I don't even know why you guys follow me. Yeah, I just gotta find my sandpaper. I'm gonna go drink my coffee.
You want this in crackers? I don't know. Maybe just yeah, it's not right. Or I could get animal crackers too. Too many crackers?
I caught you. It's not loud enough? You can't hear that. I can hear it from all the way over here. There's no reason why you shouldn't be able to hear that, Madison. I love these cousins. Where's Jenna?
She turned off her camera. Jenna, turn your camera back on.
Hey, boo. I'm recording today. You're going to see yourself later.
Your animal crackers?
Those two are like best friends. That's all they do all day long. Every day. Every day.
And you grabbed your animal crackers.
I need to call Samsung because this refrigerator is a little over a month old and the light does not work in the flex drawer. So I need to call them. And to think that I didn't listen to other people when they told me that Samsung is literally garbage. Because there's no reason why this thing should be broken less than 2 months. Okay guys, so first coat on the door frame is up. and it looks good. It's nice and glossy. Now I have to go to Lowe's to go pick up the paint for this wall right here. This is gonna be a gray color to complement the door and that wall over there, because the doors, all my doors and that wall over there are the same colors. So I'm gonna do that, and then the shiplap area is gonna be white. So I think I'm gonna paint that and then put up back the mirror, and then probably paint the gray for this wall another day, because I don't want to have to run out and then come back. I don't want to have to do that. It's like 2 o'clock and I still have to start on dinner before the husband get home, even though I think today's a long day for him and I haven't had breakfast or lunch. So I probably should stop and get something to eat and then continue. I'm not gonna make it to the deck today because it's just way too much and I'm only one person. Okay guys, so door's done, nice and Santa Claus. Put one coat of white on and I'm done for the day because it's 3 something. I haven't had anything to eat. This still needs a second coat of paint. I don't know if I'm gonna power through it or just leave it to dry and then come back at it tomorrow. Because it's 3 o'clock and I need to get on dinner. I got a little bit of paint up there. And then this, to make the line like really black, I painted the wall behind it this color. So it kind of like shines through. So I love it. It's beautiful. Let's go get dinner on the stove.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with
Hi. So I'm done for the day. Project. Painted the second coat and everything. Cleaned the floor. Rob wants me to cook his dinner, but it's not gonna happen. You're a weirdo. So I have to cook Rob dinner, but I really don't want to. He's over there watering the trees. See him? He's right there. You're a pretty girl. It's so hot out.
Mommy.
I'm so ashy. But I'm so happy to be done with that project. I just need to paint one more wall. I have one more wall to paint, and then, oh, did I show you our screen door? I think we put that up a long time ago. But got one more wall And then I'm done with this side of the house. Go jump on the trampoline. Go. Go.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like your type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream, the baddest
Tell
one
me
I've
how I ended up on the trampoline with the little one. She's like low-key licking me. Nasty. Ew! Stop! She's annoying. Why are you so annoying, man? Stop. 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 You're nasty. Stop. 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 Look. Stop. Cut it out. Stop doing that. No. No. Okay, guys, so I put the last coat on here before I even cleaned up. And I need to get a console table for right here. I have this demi-john glass that I purchased. I'm gonna put some eucalyptus in here. This bench is gonna stay right here for when guests come over, they have somewhere to sit. And then I'll get a rug the size of this area right here, so that when guests come over, they're not stepping on my floors. I'm gonna keep my hunter boots here and put flowers in them. And then this thing, this little sign that says, "Why, hello." I gotta fill the hole right here because this was here, so I took it and put it there. We can take this little part out of the wall because there's a pipe running here. But I wanted this whole thing to be open. I still have to paint this part, and I'm putting shelves in this little corner right here. Who's eating, Maddie? Okay, guys, so I'm done with dinner. This is what it looks like. I forgot to show you guys because I was outside. So, oh my gosh, we gotta pray, Maddie. Maddie, we gotta pray before dinner. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta go pray because Maddie's starving. I gotta go pray and close out the day. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.